Do you want to make money from anywhere in the world just by watching YouTube videos? Sounds too good to be true? Sorry to break it to you, but it actually is true, and best part, it is free to do so. But it will only be true if you follow exactly step by step as to what I am about to show you, so watch it till the end to finally make money online. First step is to go to YouTube and start watching your favorite videos. But not any videos, as you wouldn't want to fall into the rabbit hole of entertaining cat videos. But educational topics or anything that can spark discussions like facts, mysteries, news, psychology, etc. Ideally, it is for you to choose a topic that interests you so to prevent you from getting distracted and clicking away, and of course enjoyable. After all, you want to do something that you enjoy while getting paid, right? Once you found a video you like, click the share button. Then click copy. Now head towards this online transcript tool. The link will be in the description down below, so make sure to check it out in order to not miss out. Once you are at the online transcript tool page, paste the copied link and click transcript. Click the copy transcript button over at the left-hand side. Now use your preferred writing software like Google Docs, as I am sure everyone has access to it online. Paste the transcript. Whoa, pretty overwhelming, right? No worries. Now what we have to do is to make it look like it's in an easier digestible article form. Now I got a secret hack for you. Get onto the world's greatest creation, ChatGPT, paste and simply ask it to make it look like an article. And voila! You are welcome. Of course, ChatGPT will not be perfect all the time, so please read through and edit it to your liking. Now select a paragraph and copy it to this website over here. Don't worry, I will link this tool in the description for easy access. This website allows you to have a new version of the selected text you copied. Now watch AI do its thing. Pretty neat, right? Now copy this and do it for the rest of your article. Now the part where all of you have been waiting for. Head down to Vocal Media, as this website will pay you whenever someone reads your article. Now if those steps that I showed you is something you can easily and confidently do, let me show you how much you can be making from them at Vocal Media. As you can see, you will earn $3.80 per 1,000 reads. So if you were to receive 10k reads, which I know you will be making $38. So if you were to commit 15 minutes per day to publish one article daily, you would be able to earn $38 times 30 days, which equals to $1,140 per month. Just by doing what I taught you earlier on, and all of that requires simply 15 minutes of your day. Let's say you are feeling ambitious and extra hungry for both financial and location freedom, and you publish 3 articles per day. Guys, we are talking about $1,140 times 3, which gives you $3,420 per month. Welcome to the age of abundance, where you will be rewarded for the amount of work you put in. And all you have to do to attain those figures are to publish exciting articles from the method I have taught you. Actually, you know what? Do you know what's better than earning $3,420 per month? How about $5,400? Now get this, if you were to sign up for Vocal Plus for $10 a month, instead of getting $3.80 per 1,000 reads, you will be promoted to earning $6 per 1,000 reads. Now from a potential of $3,420 per month, you will now be getting a whopping $5,400 per month potentially. Now this all sounds like sunshine and rainbows, but in order to really attain such figures, you will have to press on and not give up. You might get tired at your 999th try, but what if, just if your 1000th try is the one that is needed from you to struck gold? It might even come faster than you think. And more importantly, you will never know until you try. Alright, let's wrap it up. So in order to publish your articles, simply create an account in Vocal over here. And complete the registration, and make sure to activate your account via the email you used to register with. Once activated, click the Create Story button. Now over here, lay out a title for your article that you have created. And a subtitle too. Oh, you can also place an image in your article to make it look more professional. Search something that is related to the article that you are publishing. If you can't find the image you are looking for, fret not, as I got another solution for you. Head over to Pexels and search for the image you are looking for. Don't worry, you are allowed to use the images as written over here. Search for free photos, as they are royalty free. Search for the one to your liking and click the download button. Now head back to Vocal Media and select Upload Image, and open the one you downloaded from Pexels. Unsplash and Pexels work very alike, so feel free to choose between the both of them. Over here you can paste the article you've created and make sure to double check, just like how you did when you were in school, before submitting to your teacher. Now click on the Save Changes button. Now if you still want to edit before submitting, you can still, no worries. You can submit when you are ready. Now since you guys stayed to the end, I have a bonus idea for you. This website I am about to show you pays you up to $100 per article or more. Head over to TextBroker. Now check this out over here at I Write Content. It shows you how this works. All the information you need is here. Click on Payment to see how much you can earn. Scroll down to this section and check it out. Over here you can either prioritize quality or quantity as shown over here. Both the quantity and quality affects the amount you can earn. So it really depends on how much effort you want to put in. The more you put in, the more you get out. Oh wow! $110 for a 2,000-word article? Time to start digging out your old essays you did in school. To start for free, click here and choose the author option. So let's recap. Copy your favorite YouTube video's link and almost rewrite the transcript into a professional-looking article. In this case, I would recommend to aim for quality, as it would allow your article to be selected and retained by readers, which will ultimately earn you more money. I know this method isn't exactly what you thought, as you won't get directly paid by watching YouTube videos, but I must say it is pretty near to it. All it takes is about 15 minutes of your day, or even shorter depending on how fast and hard you work. You can attain those figures I've showed you. Thank you for watching, and do consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. I wish you nothing but the best, and I will see you in the next one.